Let me show you how to install Samsung Messages on your Samsung Galaxy A37. So first, what you want to do is you want to go to your Samsung Galaxy store. So not the Play Store, but the Samsung Galaxy store. In the Play Store, you can't find it. So if you go in the store here, click this search thing, then search for here for Samsung Messages. Okay, as you see, you have Samsung Messages. So you would click download and it will get installed. By the way, if you search for Samsung Messages and it's not appearing here, basically at the time of filming, there are some countries where they have actually somehow removed the Samsung Messages from the Galaxy store for those countries. Maybe they having some problems, who knows. So if that is your case, the only option how to get them is to download the APK file of the Samsung Messages. So simply search where you can download one. So yeah, as you see, yeah, let's open it up here. Allow this. Okay, and also see you will have a choice to set it as default. So set as default. And you see we have the good old Samsung Messages. If we basically go in our apps, so you see also they appear here. But again, yeah, if you do not see it in the store, so you simply go in your Google and simply search for Samsung GIS APK. So, and probably from APK Mirror, or so probably this one. You would go over here and see you can simply download the file without the store. So these sites have a bunch of ads, so not very easy to manage. But yeah, as you see, you can for example click here, so simply follow what it says. Okay, good luck.